Hello, I'm Al McGriff, and I'm going to help you understand exactly what a stock is. I'm sure you may be here because you heard of your friends talking about stock, or you might be interested in investing, for it is a big thing right now, and there's a lot of buzz going around stocks. And we all have had that question in our head, well, what is a stock and where does it come from? Like, how is it made? Like, I know it's stock, but exactly what is it? So let's go over exactly what a stock is and where does it come from. So a stock basically is a claim to ownership in a company that includes their earnings and assets. Now, in order for a company to have or issue stock, they will have to be a corporation. And corporations issue stock to raise money. So look at it as this. Say you have a pie. You cut that pie up in 50 pieces. You sell each piece of that pie for $10. So if you sell all 50 pieces, that'll be $500 you get for your business. So basically that's what stocks are. They're smaller portions of a bigger business. So how do stocks come about? Well, like I was stating earlier, when a company opens or they have an IPO, which is an initial public offering, when they first start offering stock for the company, one, they have to be a corporation. And then they put those on the stock market and set a price for those individual stock. So as they get sold, they're raising money for that company and to do whatever, whether they want to expand, do more research and development. But that's the basic gist of issuing stock. So now we know what a stock is. It's basically owning a portion of a company or corporation, just on a smaller scale. And where do they come from? They come from companies when they first offer stock, which is an initial public offering. And then they come from raising money. So a company can already have stock and issue more stock to raise more money as well. And so that's basically where they come from. So why buy stock? Buying stock is a good investment, especially when it's a good company. Basically, you will buy stock because you want to get something out of it in hopes that the company would do good and the stock price would go up. Now, a stock can go down, up or down, and over time, you want it to do good. Now, that's a different video. But just to understand, when you get a stock, you're purchasing a part of the company, and those stocks can go up or down. Usually over time, stocks will go up. If you have any comments, please put them down below in the comment section, and I will get to them as soon as I can. If you learn anything from this, please like and subscribe. That way I can get it to others.